In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the not set issue in Google Analytics in just 5 minutes. This issue is a common obstacle many face when trying to ensure their analytics data is complete and accurate. By following these steps, you'll be able to resolve this problem quickly and efficiently. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Analytics. Head over to the Analytics Tools and Solutions page for your business by visiting Google's marketing platform website. This page provides a wealth of tools and resources for managing your analytics data, and it's where we'll start our journey to fix the not set problem. Once you're on the platform's page, you'll want to click on the Sign into Analytics option. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials and take you to the Google Analytics dashboard where all your analytics data is housed. Now that you're in, look for the Google Analytics home. This is your main hub for all things analytics, providing an overview of your data and giving you access to various settings and configurations. Clicking on this will guide you to where you can delve into the specifics of your analytics setup. Next, you need to access the settings. The settings area is crucial as it is the control center for managing your Google Analytics account. Here you can fine-tune various aspects of your setup to ensure everything is functioning as it should be. Once you're in the settings, it's time to focus on data streams. Data streams are a vital part of your analytics setup because they determine how data flows into your reports. Click on the data streams option and you'll be presented with the streams you've set up for your account. The next step involves viewing the tag instructions. Once you are in data streams, locate and click on View Tag Instructions. These instructions are critical as they provide guidance on how to properly set up and configure your tags to ensure accurate data tracking. After you've reviewed the tag instructions, the final step is to click on Install Manually. This option allows you to take control of the installation process, ensuring that you're applying the necessary configurations directly. By installing the tags manually, you have the assurance that everything is set up correctly to avoid the not set issue in the future. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively tackled the not set issue within your Google Analytics setup. Remember, ensuring that your data streams and tags are properly configured is essential for maintaining accurate and complete analytics data. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you resolve your Google Analytics challenges swiftly.